What on earth is climate change? Have you ever wondered why our winters feel colder, or summers seem to scorch more than they used to? Or maybe you've heard the term climate change tossed around in news and conversations. But what does it really mean? Today we are diving deep into the enigma of climate change and how it is changing our world and our lives. What is climate change? Climate change means big changes in the weather and climate over a long time. It is a bit of a tricky thing to understand because it involves many different parts, like gases in the air and ice melting in cold places. And why should we care about this? Because climate change affects a lot of things, not just nature, but also our health, our communities, and money matters. Climate change isn't just about it getting hotter. It also means changes like not enough rain in some places and too much rain in others. Our oceans are getting more acidic because there is more carbon dioxide in the air, which is bad for sea creatures and plants. Ice melting at the poles and in glaciers is making sea levels go up. This can flood places where people live near the sea. Economically, climate change can cause problems. It can make it harder to grow food, which can lead to less food available. More extreme weather like big storms can damage buildings and roads and cost a lot of money to fix. It can also make people have to leave their homes, creating new challenges for communities. Climate change also affects our health in different ways. When it is really hot, people can get sick from the heat. It can also make the air dirty, which is bad for breathing, and spread diseases carried by insects like mosquitoes. It can also be stressful and scary when disasters happen because of the climate. Climate change touches every part of our lives: the air we breathe, the food we eat, and where we live. It is important to understand all the ways that it affects us and how serious it is. Causes of climate change. Humans are the main reason for climate change, especially when we burn things like coal, oil, and gas. This sends gases into the air that trap heat from the sun, making the earth warmer, a process called the greenhouse effect. To fight this, we can use less of these fuels and more clean energy like wind or solar power, make our homes and our cars use less energy, and support rules that help reduce these harmful gases. The effects of climate change. Climate change is happening right now. We are seeing more big storms, higher sea levels, and animals moving to new places. But what does this mean for us every day? And what will happen in the future? Climate change can cause more dangerous weather like hurricanes, hot spells, and floods. This can make it hard to stay safe, grow food, and stay healthy. In the future, it can harm animals and plants, make seas rise, and change how we grow food, which can lead to not having enough food and other very big problems around the world. Combating climate change. Fighting climate change is something that we all need to do together. This includes big agreements between countries like the Paris Accord and things that each of us can do. We can use less energy, support clean energy, and help take care of forests. How do we do this? By using clean energy like wind or solar, making buses and trains better so that we drive less, making our homes and businesses more energy saving, and protecting trees and forests. We need to make good choices ourselves and support the rules that help reduce bad gases and keep our planet healthy. The future of planet Earth. Thinking about the future, the decisions we make now will shape how the world will be for a long time. Can we meet the challenges of fighting climate change? It is up to us to make the right choices. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. By understanding its causes, its effects, and solutions, we can make informed action to protect our planet. Remember, every small step counts in this long journey. What do you think is the most crucial step in combating climate change? We look forward to your thoughts in the comment below. And if you found this video informative, please like it, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will always get updates from us on how we can make a difference in our world